So hi. So let us take a look at what is your problem. So I think you have something like, it doesn't matter what it is. In this case, it's something like this, and you just want some pokey sticks to point out. So you add a mesh, and for example, something like this. You move it out of the way. You scale it down a little bit so that it's a little bit more pointy. And I think then you have created what I would assume a particle, hair. You go to advanced, you go to render, you say object, and you say render me this. And it looks like this. And that is the problem that you have. Now you could say in theory, yeah, go to my rotation, take my normal, and well, great, now it's all going into different direction. What you can do to fix that is you go into, you select your, in this case, your pointy spike thing, and you go into edit mode, you select everything, and you rotate it by the X 90 degree, minus 90 degrees in this case, minus 90 degrees. And as you can see now, those are nice. The problem is now it's offset. This is why you have this kind, and because it's offset from its position, you go, when you go up now, then it should be nice. You see, you have now a nice and pointy thing. Doesn't it look good? I hope so. I hope this could help you, at least in this case. But honestly, I would try geometry nodes, but well, this is gone now, okay? And we do almost the same with geometry nodes. So I will create a new one here, and I will go and make a point distribute, which just distributes some points, which is not really helpful. And point instance. Yeah, I want to instance something, and I want to instance this thing. And now I have to go and do what I just did. I have to do it back because otherwise it won't really work, or it will be wrong. So as you can see already, it's pointing into the right direction. And when we do a join geometry, we can take the original one and connect it. And then we have something like this. Then we also can take a point scale node, and we can just scale it a little bit down. And ta-da! You have your nice pointy thing. You can turn out the density. You can use something, whatever, some material or whatever to set the density. There are different ways now that you can do it. But that's what I want to show you. I hope this helps you, and I hope this solves your problem. I am not sure about that. Yeah, have fun. Bye.